Hey, it's Keto Granny, and I just wanted to give a quick update and let everyone know how I'm doing on my keto diet. So this month so far, I don't believe I've lost any weight. I've still been working out. I weighed and I had only lost 1 pound so far. So I'm still going to keep working out until the end of the month. I'm going to weigh again at the end of the month to see exactly how much weight I've lost. I am going to the gym. I am also getting my 10,000 steps in a day and then just moving and doing what I can. There are days that I don't feel like exercising, and on those days I don't. So I just want to say, if you can, get up and exercise, get you some exercise in. A little bit of exercise goes a long way.